Coming up on this episode, looks like CN Rail's switch cleaning unit. They call it Air Force One. Kind of went off the road. Yeah, and there's Air Force One. Still is sitting there, I guess. I don't know. And look at this. We got a train coming up to the Diamond. This area is, right in here is the Diamond, they call it, where CN crosses CP tracks. It's a CN train coming and crossing CP Rail's main line. This is the intercity area of Thunder Bay. Shipping power, moving power around. Just stopping for a switch. But anyway, yeah, pretty cool. CN's tracks crossing CP's tracks. Intercity, Thunder Bay.